Best Overseas Education Consultants in Dehradun. Are you an aspiring student from Dehradun who dreams of studying abroad? Choosing the right overseas education consultant can greatly enhance your chances of getting admission to the best universities and colleges around the world. What sets us apart? We offer assistance in choosing a program that matches your interests and preferences. Individual attention for each application. Every student's application receives our undivided attention, ensuring it's meticulously catered to. Support prior to departure. We provide assistance to prepare you for your journey before you set off. Post-study work opportunities. We guide you through the various work options available after your studies. Scholarship and co-op options. We help explore the possibilities for scholarships and cooperative work placements. Waiver of application fees. Conditions apply depending on the criteria set by the respective university or college. Top reasons to select our education consultancy in Dehradun. Study Unifies has been making the dream of studying abroad a reality for nearly 20 years, guiding students from selecting their suitable course in college. Over 6,000 plus students have successfully pursued their careers in their dream countries, thanks to the comprehensive services offered by Study Unifies. Why choose overseas education consultants? Overseas education consultants provide expert guidance and support to simplify the process and make it more manageable. Benefits of studying abroad. Studying abroad offers numerous benefits that can shape your personal and professional life. Role of education consultants in Dehradun. They provide personalized counseling, help students choose the right course and country, assist with application processes, and guide them through visa requirements. Factors to consider when choosing an education consultant. Look for consultants with a good reputation, relevant experience, a wide network of university partners, and transparent fee structures. Top overseas education consultants in Dehradun. Study Unifies. Study Unifies have established itself as one of the leading overseas education consultants in Dehradun. How to select the right consultant for you? Choosing the right education consultant depends on your specific needs and preferences. Best overseas education consultants in Dehradun for us universities. Luckily, top-notch consultants in Dehradun are seasoned professionals who can simplify this process for you, ensuring a smooth transition from application to admission. Best overseas education consultants in Dehradun for UK universities. The best consultants can provide detailed insight into the university culture, living expenses, admission deadlines, and visa processes, helping students make well-informed decisions. Best overseas education consultants in Dehradun for Canadian universities. Expert consultants are well equipped with the knowledge of application procedures, scholarships, and on-campus work opportunities, which they can tailor to your specific needs and aspirations. Best overseas education consultants in Dehradun for Australian universities. The best consultants provide personalized guidance on choosing the right course and university, navigating the admission process, and understanding the visa requirements. Best overseas education consultants in Dehradun for New Zealand universities. Education consultants can assist students in understanding the education system, shortlisting universities, preparing for exams, and ensuring meet all the requirements for a successful application. Best overseas education consultants in Dehradun for European universities. Europe offers a diverse range of educational opportunities with a multitude of universities to choose from. Best Overseas Education Consultants in Dehradun for Asian Universities. With the rising reputation of Asian universities, many students are seeking educational opportunities in this part of the world. Best Overseas Education Consultants in Dehradun for South American Universities. South America, with its diverse culture and affordable education, is an emerging destination for international students. Best Overseas Education Consultants in Dehradun for African Universities. Experienced consultants will provide invaluable assistance from application to acceptance, ensuring a smooth journey towards your overseas education. Advantages of consulting with overseas education consultants. Personalized counseling. Consultants provide personalized counseling to understand your needs, interests, and aspirations to guide you in choosing the best course and university. Detailed information on universities. They offer comprehensive information on universities worldwide, admission procedures, course details, deadlines, and fees, making the decision-making process easier. Admission guidance. Consultants help students with application procedures, documentation, preparation for exams, and meeting all requirements, significantly increasing your chances of acceptance. Scholarship assistance. They provide valuable assistance in identifying and applying for scholarships, reducing the financial burden of overseas education. Conclusion. Overseas education consultants play a pivotal role in fulfilling your dreams of studying abroad.